How can one become a program manager directly from a Scrum Master? Is a PMP mandatory to become a program manager or a delivery manager for getting a profile recognized by the employer? Do an analysis on the job portal. Yeah, because these kind of things can be very opinion driven. I might have my own opinion. What you need to do is, I have a particular title in mind, and a program manager at some places might be getting X salary, at other places might be getting 2X salary, and other places might be getting 4X salary, but all titles might be program manager. Does this all program manager means the same thing? The answer is no. So we cannot have generic answers to it. We need to see which salary program manager you are talking about, or which experienced program manager you are talking about. And same is true for Scrum Masters also. There is a very generic discussion we can keep having. Now, each organization is paying some money, and against that money, they expect some profile, they expect some job needs to be done. So we need to see a job descriptions which are matching with my target one. I go to a job site, I search program manager, I see various profiles, I understand the 4X is beyond my reach, 1X is too less for me, I want to focus on 2X, and I see, looks like a lot of things are matching, looks like few things are not matching, let's fix them. That's a great way of finding out. In general, what I believe is, if organization is working in a project mode, now that's an important thing. Project mode means they are taking the work from clients and they are doing that work for the clients. Like the question we had, there is a some amount of invoicing management, there is a some amount of like deal and milestone management. In those cases, irrespective of what they say, what they do, but there will be a good amount of project management needed. So whatever role you do, if you are working in a projectized space, there is, in my personal opinion, there is always a value in learning project management skill, and the PMP certification can help you, not just a tag of a certification, but help you in learning project management skills. In our customer base, we find around 20 to 30% of our customer base end up doing career transition by way of studying for PMP. It becomes a kind of a life-changing event for them rather than just adding a one certificate. They end up repositioning their whole profile and thing. And not just because they have a certificate, because they spend time understanding the various aspects of project management, and that gave them a big confidence. They end up knowing a lot of things which are going beyond certification. So that's my advice. But yes, you can do a study on the job portal.